This is Suzanne Bump, State Auditor for the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. I'm really pleased to be able to help the Salvation Army family keep the bells ringing this year during these very challenging times. I'm sorry I won't be at my usual spot at Downtown Crossing. My favorite moments there were when parents gave quick lessons in philanthropy to their children who couldn't understand why they would give away money, and to see them realize that it's to help another boy or girl or family less fortunate than they. It was always a very heartwarming experience. And this support is vital to our community. The Salvation Army has been there for decades, providing assistance to disaster victims and fighting poverty, hunger, homelessness, and creating programming to nurture our youth. Your services are vital. I hope you have a very successful year, and let's all look forward to a brighter 2021. Keep the bells ringing.